Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Wednesday, July the 14th. Busy news week and economic reporting week here in the market. And this morning, of course, as we can see, PPI, Producer Price Index information or inflation, and the cost of products has been released, and obviously has been we missed the estimate by almost double. Actually, we went from half to one, from 6/10 to one. So this is very troubling. We know that today is also Fed Day, so Fed Chair Powell will be speaking in the giving testimony to the House subcommittee today. And I'm sure that this number will come up, and I'm sure that it's going to be affecting the market. So remember, careful today. He's going to be testifying at noon. What's happening in the market as we speak? Well, they're drifting a little higher, the stocks, ahead of Powell's testimony. As we can see in our daily chart here. New all-time record established yesterday at 43.8375. And here's where we find ourselves right now. Volume has increased dramatically. As we can see, we're averaging 989,000, but we've had 3 days in a row, 4 days in a row, almost 5 days in a row, that we've had well over 1 million contracts being traded. Not bad for the middle of July. Let's look a little closer behind these numbers because, like I said, the market can go just a little flat towards the later part of this morning, as we are awaiting the testimony of the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Powell. Here's where we find ourselves right now. Here we're coming again off the all-time highs. We ultimately did retrace right back to this particular level of resistance. As whenever you have this trend line here, the trend line, this support this market. Market is attempting once again to head towards the all-time high. So those are our key support and resistance areas right here. There's your key support and resistance area right around the 43.83 area, and right down here around the 43.45 area. It's about a 40-point swing, but that's where we are right now, mid to long term. Like that, we're going to have the kind of day that's going to be spiky from one side to the other, running 40, 50 points, unless something shakes out of the subcommittee meetings and with Jerome Powell. Let's look at our analysis chart here, see what we're hunting for today. Where is my chart? Where is my chart? Here is my chart. And as we can see, there's our intraday high, which also turned out to be another all-time high, our intraday low, as we slowly drifted downwards towards the late afternoon as we established our intraday low. Market battled that intraday low for a while, eventually broke through, bounced off it, a big giant FOBO right back here. And the market continues currently to drift higher to the upside. Now, we did have this particular resistance area here as a very key component of today's day, but we have clearly broken through it at the pre-market, so we're expecting this to act as support and eventually drift a little higher to the upside. Now, this move to the upside, if it's going to happen, it needs to happen early, because that will be more efficient. Otherwise, it might happen in a very frantic way post testimonies of Powell. So it's going to be a very interesting day. Like I always say, please don't fall in love to either side. Wait for confirmation, place your stop, and have a great session. See ya.